Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press on it or click Enter. In this window, you need to click a device at the right top, or if you have Windows 10, you will see this button at the top. And in this window, you need to select Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and your earbuds should enter to blink mode automatically, and we know it by the LED light blinking white. But we can also enter to blink mode manually. As you can see, this time we don't want to enter blink mode automatically. So we need to press and hold both of touch areas, located at the back side of each earbud. Press and hold and until the LED lights start blinking white. But sometimes it happened with these earbuds that you don't want to blinking white. Then just close the case, open it again, and then press and hold at the both of touch areas. After that, you will see your earbuds at the device list and tap on them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!